Chickens live. Yeah, man. Yes, I do sell them. I do sell them. You're interested in some, Jason? You're interested in buying some chickens? Are you hearing me? Let me know if you're hearing me. You're interested in buying some chickens, Jason? That's why you asked me. I'm up on TikTok to find out the prices. Try know how long I ask about chicken. Yeah, me sell them, yes. I sell them. I have an exotic chicken farm, guys. I need to build one coop for them ASAP. Because the coop with them in a, them are outgrow that. So yeah, I do sell chickens. But them not really that cheap as people expect, you know, guys. I swear to you. They are silky chickens, so them carry a little price. Not